hot dogs are becoming a more popular food option to cure those hunger cravings, and Top Dog in town knows just how to cure it. These guys are a very unassuming little hot dog joint in Wanneroo Market, and they do epic hot dogs. You'll have no idea what to choose, but that's sort of the fun of it. They do 21 different styles of hot dogs, everything from a brekkie dog for breakfast, all the way through to chili dogs. There's something for everyone. And if you're coming down here with some mates, make sure you grab the share platter. This will give you a bit of a taste of lots of different things on the menu. You'll absolutely love it.
Hi, I'm Daisy from Top Dog in town at Wanneroo Markets. Why don't you come down and try one of our 21 hot dogs?